Nike is preparing to drop the A1 Black and Metallic Silver in holiday 2025, expanding its latest basketball line that debuted earlier this year. Built for performance but with a distinct design edge, this edition highlights a refined monochrome look. The sneaker carries a triple black mesh and synthetic upper, accented by glossy eyestays, tonal laces, and sculpted overlays that reinforce its bold framework. Adding sharp contrast, a metallic silver swoosh slices through the sides, while subtle textures run across the streamlined midsole. Performance isn't compromised, as the outsole integrates durable traction patterns for dependable grip on the court. A'ja Wilson's presence is evident in the details, with her name embroidered on the heel and personalized motifs placed on the sockliners. Balancing sleek style and on-court function, the Nike A1 Black and Metallic Silver embodies a fusion of understated luxury and athlete-driven innovation, priced at $115.